Hello students, welcome back after a long break. Here we have today start with a new chapter, chapter 9, halves and quarters. First we have to know what is half and what are quarters. To know more about that, I will show some halves and quarters of some shapes. See, these are some different shapes. I can show you how to make these halves or these shapes we can divide into two equal parts. When we divide any objects or any shapes into two equal halves, each parts we can say halves. This half we can write in fraction form as 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. Here the circle I have divided into two equal parts. Each part we can say half part. The first part left side also we can write half part and the right part also half part. The second one is a rectangle. This also each part is divided into this rectangle is also divided into two equal halves. Each half we can write 1 by 2 parts or 1 upon 2. That means half part. See that triangle also? That triangle also we divided into two equal parts. This diagonal shape also, diamond shape also divided into two parts. All these shapes or all these shapes are divided into two equal parts and each part is written as 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. These are halves or half of any part. Now we have to see what is quarter or what are quarters. Quarters also I will show through these pictures only. The first one, first we have divided that circle into four equal parts. Each part we can say 1 by 4th part or quarter parts. That means if any objects divided into four equal parts, the each part we can say quarter part or 1 by 4th part. The second shapes you see, that diamond shape is also divided into four equal parts. Each part is 1 by 4th part or quarter part. That rectangle also quarter parts. Each parts are quarter parts. These are halves and quarters. Now we will move to our textbook starting with a story. Now see what is the story. See, this is the story here given in this textbook. Mindu cat and Motu cat were friends. Once they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. I will take it, said Mindu. No, no, I will take it, said Motu. While they were quarreling, there came Titu Monkey. Hi, what is the problem? Why are you quarreling? He asked. We don't know how to divide this chapati between us, the cat said. Okay, don't worry. I will divide the chapati equally for both of you, he said. Clever Titu divided the chapati like this. Here, two cats were there. One is Mindu cat and the another one is Motu cat. One day, they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. After that, they divided that chapati into two parts. But what happened? While they were dividing the chapati, one part became the bigger one and the other became a smaller one. So when they divided, after the Motu said, I will take this part, but Mindu said, I will take this part, because the two parts were not equal. And they started to quarrel. While they were quarreling, Titu Monkey came there. He asked, what is the problem there? They said the reason behind the quarrel. They said, we don't know how to divide this chapati into two equal halves. Then the clever Titu said, I will divide this chapati into two equal parts and I will give both of you. After that, what happened? The monkey divided the chapati, divided it into these like this way, these two parts. The first one part is bigger, the another part is smaller one. Then again the cats started quarreling. They said, these are not equal. The left part is bigger. Mindu and Mondu said, oh, no problem. I will make equal. After that, Mindu and Mondu, after seeing these chapati parts, they said, now these parts also not equal. So, monkey said, don't worry, I will make it equal. What happened? Again, the bigger part, he take a part from the bigger part and ate that part. And what happened? After that, the right side portion become bigger. Now the picture just to be given, the second picture you see children. Oh, now the right part is bigger. The cats cried. I am sorry, said Titu. He cut a part from the bigger piece and ate it. When there was only a small piece remaining, he said, "This is my share for the work." Titu then quickly ate the last piece and climbed the tree. Titu was a cunning monkey. He was a clever monkey. What happened? Every time when he divided the chapati into two parts, the one part become bigger and the another become smaller. So every time what he did, he taken a part from the bigger part, eaten the big left of the part. So finally the chapati become a single part. Finally what he said? He said, "This part is my part because I have divided this chapati for you. This is the part for me as I have done this much work for you." The clever monkey finally eaten the full chapati and went up the tree. So finally the both of the cats did not get the chapati. This is the story. Students, you might have heard this story several times. Now move to the page number 95, half and half. Here the question is, if the cats ask you to divide the chapati equally, how will you divide it? Students, suppose if the cats are asked us to divide this chapati into two parts, not like the monkey. The monkey was so clever and cunning. He divided the chapati into different shapes or different unequal parts and he eaten fully the chapatis. But here the cats are asked us to divide. If the cats ask us to divide the chapati equally, what you will do or what method you will do to make it equal parts? Students, the last circle lesson we know that how can we divide a circle. To divide a circle, we can fold that circle into two parts. By folding, we will get a creased line. From that creased line, we can cut or we can divide the chapati or circle into two parts. So, if anyone asked you to divide a circle or any shape, first of all, you fold that part into equal parts. After getting that creased line, you can cut that part or shape from that creased line. In this way, we can divide any objects into two equal halves. Now, the answer is, if you do not cheat like Titu, the cats will have these parts. Here the picture showed all the two parts are equal in size. Not any one is bigger or smaller. Now the next topic is half of half. What is half of half? If two more cats came for food, how will you divide one chapati equal for four cats? Previously, there were only two cats. Who were there? Mindu and Motu. Now, two more cats came there. If they are asking for each part, how will you cut or how will you divide this chapati? That means, again we have to divide each halves again into one more half. That means, the half of half we have to find. That is the quarter part. Here, we know that if one half we divide, we will get the quarter or 1/4 part of the whole part. So for equal, if we divide equally among these cats, we can give this each 1/4 to all the cats. That means if we have to take again this half and fold it again into equal parts. From that creased line, we can cut the chapati into equal parts. After that, finally we will get four parts. And this way we can divide the half of half to each cat. Now, our next heading is half of many pieces. Rani got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friend Reena. Circle the portion that Reena got. Before this, students, we know how to divide a single part. Half of single part we know how to divide by folding it into two equal halves and after that dividing it. But here we have to find the half of many parts. Many parts means more than one part. Here Rani got a chocolate of 6 parts. From that half part she gave to her friend Reena. Half of 6 we have to find. To find the half of many numbers, how can we find the half? To find the half of many numbers or larger numbers, we have to divide that number by 2. Already in one video I have said, to find the half of any number, we have to divide that number by 2. Here the whole part is 6 parts. To find the half of this 6 divided by 2 equals 3. From that 3 parts she gave to her friend Rani. Here they have asked us to circle the portion that Reena got. How many parts Reena got from 6 parts? 3 parts. Now 2 more questions are there. First one is, how many pieces of chocolates are there? How many pieces of chocolates are there? Total 6 parts were there. So write there 6 pieces. How many pieces were left with Rani? Out of 6, she gave half to her friend Reena. So 6 minus 3 equals 3 pieces. So Rani left 3 pieces of chocolates here. Now the remaining part we will start in the next video.